Okay, today we're going to talk about pitch as it relates to prosody in American English. Then other expressions, they don't have a hard and fast rule. You just have to vary your pitch depending on what you want to convey with your words. For instance, try the following sentences. I thought you were coming. Oh, really? It was nice, but not amazing. Well, I suppose you're right. I thought it was today, not tomorrow. You're going to love this. That's not exactly what I said. I don't know what to say. Yes, but only if you're sure. Okay, so keep in mind that on a lot of those, you could say them different ways depending on your mood. So the first one, I thought you were coming. Disappointed that they're not coming. I thought you were coming. That would be mad that they weren't there. The next one, oh, really? That's an excited. Oh, really? Oh, really? That's a not excited. Oh, really? It was nice, but not amazing. That's kind of a ho-hum. Well, I suppose you're right. That's a reluctant agreement. Well, I suppose you're right. That's more of a doubtful agreement. I thought it was today, not tomorrow. That is an exasperated statement. I thought it was today, not tomorrow. That is a casual statement. Doesn't really matter to me. You're going to love this. That is a sarcastic expression versus you're going to love this is a legitimate you're going to love this expression. Sure, I'll help you means yeah, I'm happy to help you. Oh, sure, I'll help you is a sarcastic I'll help you. That's not exactly what I said means, okay, you got part of it, but you didn't understand exactly everything that I said. That's not exactly what I said is more of a frustrated, you're not listening to me kind of expression. I don't know what to say. That's like, oh my gosh, thank you for this present. I have no words to describe how grateful I am. I don't know what to say. Means you're frustrated, you have nothing else to say. Yes, but only if you're sure. That's just kind of like, yeah, I'd like to, but only if you want to. Yes, but only if you're sure. That's kind of like, are you sure you know what you're talking about? If you do, then the answer is yes. All right, so that is all for our pitch exercises. Try to listen to pitch when you are watching TV or watching the news or listening to a podcast or listening to people in the store, and pay attention to how their voice goes up or down depending on what they're saying and their mood. So, hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. Talk to you later.